Koei is the leading home appliances manufacturer in Korea with over 6 million customers across the world. It owns the world's largest indoor water filter manufacturing plant and state-of-the-art R&D center, which is the first research center to be granted Korea's official Drinking Water Quality Inspection Agency. Besides earning its recognition for its high-quality range of products, another key success factor of Koei is its Koei Lady, or Cody.
Hi, apa kabar? Dajahao. This is James Ba, Managing Director of Koei Malaysia branch. Koei Lady, also known as Cody, is an occupation first introduced in 1999. They are a team of professional female specialists who assist Koei customers in product maintenance and sanitation. In Korea, Cody is recognized by Ministry of Human Resources as an official occupation, and the number of Cody has increased tremendously from 80 persons in 1999, 15,000 today.
Koei was brought into Malaysia in 2006, while Cody was introduced in 2009. This newly emerged occupation has later offered life-changing opportunities to a group of local ladies. Elena, married with 2 kids, joined as Cody a year and a half ago. She has never imagined that there is an occupation tailored for women that allows for a balanced time between work and family. As a frontliner, every Cody wears a uniform for a more tidy and professional look. Of course, the look will not be complete without a friendly smile and greetings. Cody provides product maintenance, which is called Before Service or BS, including filter sanitation and filter replacement. It sounds like a man's job, but in fact, it is simple and can be handled easily even by women after proper training. Besides, Cody also takes care of rental collection and provides the company with consumer insights to help improve the product quality and services.
I've done my BS today. Now I'm going to meet the prospect who is introduced by my customer. It is great to maintain good relationship with my customer because they will introduce you their friends and family. This is how I get my sales.
Cody's income can be unlimited. In addition to BS income, Cody can also earn through sales that are generated from current customer base. Cody's schedule can be self-arranged and only need to report to the office twice a week for meetings. During the meeting, a senior Cody manager will check and guide on the work progress of every Cody, and any problems arising can be shared and brainstormed together.
I was a fashion designer before, but I've quit after having my first child. It was a hard decision, but I know family always come first. As a Cody, my work schedule is flexible. It's allowed me to fetch my son back from school and prepare dinner for my family. I spend more time with them without sacrificing my career. And the return of working is greater than my expectation. Within 1 year, I managed to buy a house with my own savings. I think the best part of being Cody is the satisfaction that you gain from the connection between people. I love to serve my customer, and the compliment from customer just make my day. I have joined company incentive trip to Taiwan early this year and looking forward to the next trip to Hong Kong. It was a great experience and I appreciate it a lot.
In addition to providing ladies with a successful career without compromising family time, Koei provides exceptional benefits, including skill training, self-enhancement workshops, insurance, transport allowances, overseas incentive trips, and appreciation parties. No matter if you are a fresh graduate, working lady, housewife, or single mother, you have the chance to enjoy an average monthly income from 3,500 ringgit onwards. What's more, this occupation comes with a great career opportunity.
Salam sejahtera dan Assalamualaikum. Saya Siti Hazra. Kerjaya saya di Koei bermula sebagai seorang Kodi dan dalam masa setahun saya telah berjaya menjadi seorang Kodi Manager dan kemudian Senior Kodi Manager. Kini saya menguruskan beberapa buah cawangan Kodi di kawasan Lembah Kelang dan juga Pantai Timur. Pengalaman kerjaya saya ini telah membentuk diri saya menjadi seorang yang lebih berkeyakinan tinggi, matang dan berkebolehan dalam kepimpinan dan pengurusan pekerja. Walaupun bidang kerja Kodi agak tertekan, tapi pulangan pendapatan, masa, kemahiran dan perkembangan diri sangat berbaloi. Saya amat mencintai kerjaya saya ini. Terima kasih.
We have experienced the true power of ladies through our Kodi. And it's really astonishing to see the ladies, some even housewives, managing such a big group. We are recruiting even more Kodi now, and we hope to see more ladies' power in the workforce in Koei, Malaysia. Do join as a Kodi, and we are more than willing to train you to be a successful career woman. I promise.
Find out more about Kodi at www.koei.com.my. Kodi, a career to find the true value of women.